Welcome back to today's video. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and today we're going to decorate two little cupcakes to go alongside our gorgeous little mini Mother's Day cake here. Alright, so get your piping bags ready and I'll see you in a moment. Hey, welcome back to our channel. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and today we're going to decorate two little cupcakes just to match our beautiful little Mother's Day cake here. Okay, so if you haven't caught that video, make sure you go and watch that one next. But we're going to start with our piping bag with our 2D tip. Okay, and we've got some pale pink buttercream here, and we're just going to start with a couple of swirls round and round. We'll do 3 of those. And then we've got our smaller tip, which is a number, is it 21? I can't remember if it's 21 or 31. I'll make sure I pop the right detail in the link below though. Okay, and that's got a darker pink buttercream. And we're going to pop some nice big stars here. Okay, so press down and release as you pull up. So all the way along. Okay, just going right to the edge and then come back and infill any gaps there. Okay, so that's our first one. And then for our second one here, we're going to pipe coming in from the edge there, squeeze it up, pull it in, all the way around. So slowly turning your cupcake, squeezing and pulling back. Okay, you might just have to push down your icing again. So working your way slowly around your cupcake. All the way in. Now once you've gone all the way around, go back to your pale pink, your 2D tip, and we're going to just pipe a nice little rosette there. So straight up, piping round and round, release and pull off the tail. Okay, so now we've got some gorgeous little gold pearls. We want to match our cake we have here. Right, and we're just going to, again, use my little gold spoon here from Frank's. I do love it. It's so hard to find anything really girly with an initial Y on there, and we're just going to drop in some pearls here. I'm just trying to make sure they don't fly everywhere, so nice and gentle with that. If you do have a little pearl grubber, could be an idea to use that. I don't own one, I just like a spoon. Okay, so we're just putting a few in there. Okay, and again, same on our other cupcake. Pipe a few in there. There we go. So now we have two beautiful cupcakes to go along with our Mother's Day cake. Alright, so if you do need the recipe for our signature buttercream, we'll pop the link below, and if you need any other cake supplies, make sure you pop onto Cakers Warehouse and use the code ENCHANTED10 and you'll get a 10% discount. Okay, so thanks for joining us today. I'm Yvette and it's wonderful having you here. I'll see you again next time.